This is for all you semi-truck drivers that your truck won't start because you think your batteries ain't got too much juice to start that truck. Well, let me tell you, I was going down the road once, stopped at a rest area, and I seen 3 pickup trucks trying to jump start a semi truck. I go, oh my Lord, what are they doing? And I didn't want to go over there because, I didn't want them, to get mad and go and think I was, putting my nose where it doesn't belong. But I went over there anyways, and I told him, sir, what's going on? Because, well, my semi truck won't start. The battery's just too weak. I got these 3 pickup trucks jump starting with cables. Because, sir, it's not the batteries. Because he told me, hey, sir, can't you see I'm trying to jump start the truck with 3 pickups with cables and it still don't start? Because, sir, I'm not here to argue. I'm here to help you. If you want my honesty, I'll give it to you. You look so ridiculous with 3 pickup trucks trying to jump start that truck. You got the whole rest area full of cables, Ryan. Please, remove all that stuff. I'll even bet you $50 I'll turn it on without any of their trucks giving me cables. Digo, sir, okay, I'm gonna take your $50 because that's all you want to bet. Digo, I'll bet you 100. Because, sir, I'll bet you 200-300, but I don't want to take your money. I just came over here because you look so ridiculous. I mean, please, be patient. Learn something. Give me 5 minutes. I don't want to take your money. So, what I did is I removed all those battery cable terminals because it was so corroded. The battery power won't go through. It's corroded. How can it start if the battery is corroded, the terminal? So I cleaned them all. Once I cleaned them, turned that key, push that button, voila. You see, I didn't want to take your money.